Guys, have you ever imagined staying inside the floating coconut anywhere in the world? Not near the beach, not beside the sea, but literally floating on the water. If not, you can actually try it here in Malaysia. In this chapter, I'm going to share our full experience staying at Coconest Langkawi. And the most exciting part is the only way to reach here is by boat. So make sure to watch until then because this stay is really something different. Langkawi is already known as one of the most vibrant islands in Malaysia. Most people come here for beaches, island hopping and luxury resorts. But other than that, Langkawi also has one of the most valuable mangrove forests in the country. And somewhere inside this mangrove area, there is also very unique floating estate. You cannot drive there, you cannot walk there, there is no road at all. We parked our car at Tanjung Ru Mangrove Jetty, which is about 30 minutes from Langkawi International Airport. This jetty is usually very busy because the mangrove tours start from here, especially in the morning and evening. The staff had already arranged the boat transfer for us, and the ride took around about few minutes. It's a short ride, but when you slowly move away from the jetty and see the open water around, it really feels like you are going somewhere private. And then we saw a giant coconut floating in the middle of the water. From far, it honestly looked like a peeled coconut. The structure is round, natural in color, and covered with dried palm-style material outside. It blends very nicely with the mangrove surroundings. This place is not a luxury resort, it's simple. The main attraction here is not fancy facilities, but the design and the location. It is fully built on the water with no land connection at all. So when we stepped inside for the first time, we could feel a slight moment. It's not scary, but yes, it's a bit shaky. Especially when speedboats pass by and create waves. If you easily get motion sickness, maybe better to take medicine before coming. The staff also mentioned they can provide if needed. After some time, you slowly get used to the movement, and it became part of the experience. Inside, it's cozy and minimal. There's a queen-size bed facing to the sea, a small fridge and basic tin to make tea. They also provide simple kitchenette items because many guests cook light meals themselves. There's a private bathroom inside as well. Everything is simple but enough for the comfortable stay. The whole concept is eco-friendly. It mostly runs on solar power, and the idea actually came from design competition by local architects focusing on ecotourism. They only have two units, and both are almost same. But if you really love sunset view, it's better to choose unit 1 because only that unit has direct sunset view and also a hammock outside. Honestly, the hammock is doing a very good job here. Just lying there, listen to the water, watching the sky slowly change colors. That moment feels very peaceful.
We've been living in sin so long, all the feels are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day upright. It seems your meal ticket is gone, but life goes on. I could never imagine something better. Yeah, right. Now you're cooking on high heat in the middle of the street. Roller coaster, take me to a better.
There's no restaurant that you can walk to from here. So if you plan to have dinner, you need to inform the staff earlier. They can arrange food from nearby floating restaurant, but it's limited and usually available on until evening. For drinking water, they provided a water filter system so you can refill your bottles anytime. They also provide simple breakfast after 9:30 in the morning. At night, the atmosphere becomes very quiet. There are no city lights around, so you can see the stars clearly. Because this stay is located in a mangrove area, the water is not clear blue and you can clearly see the tide changes. In the morning, the water level is much lower and in evening it rises higher. The difference is very visible. This place is not for people looking for luxury comfort and full service. But if you love quiet, calm nature, if you enjoy sunset view, if you like unique and slightly adventurous stay, then this floating coconut experience is really special. When we stayed here, we paid around 648 ringgit for one night. Price may change depend on the season, so better to check before booking. You can book directly their official website or you can also find it on Airbnb. Since they only have 2 units, it gets fully booked quite fast, especially during weekends and peak seasons. So if you really want the sunset unit, better book early.
We've been living in sin so long, all the feels are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day, I'm right. It seems your meal ticket is gone, but life goes on. I could never imagine something better. Yeah, right. Now you're cooking on high heat in the middle of the street. Roller coaster, take me to a better time. Let's go! All sing your high line with the roller coaster of life. Yeah. It's time to all choose your timeline on the roller coaster of life.
You go first. I'm doing the back. You bukan kopi.
This was our full experience staying at Coconest in Langkawi. Overall, this is not luxury stay, but it has something very different. You are floating on the water, no loud connection, just mangroves, sea breeze, sunset and silence. For one night, it really feels like a disconnected from everything.
Okay, thank you. Bye. See you next time. See you. Bye bye.
If you are someone who loves the calm nature and unique stays, this might be perfect for you. And if you enjoy discovering unique stays like this, don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos too. See you in our next journey.
Said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day, I'm right. It seems your meal ticket is gone, but life goes on. I could never imagine something better. Yeah, right. Now you're cooking on